Sometimes my rock painting inspiration comes from the strangest places, like our DVD collection. This is one of our favorite Christmas movies of all time, every single year, so let's rock a little Ralphie. I know it's a little hard to see the white chalk pencil at this point in the video, but what I'm doing is lining out a winter knit hat with a little ball on top, and then I'm tracing a little medicine cup for Ralphie's glasses. Next, I'm going to take some Liquitex gesso and base coat the hat so that we can have some nice solid color. This is going to be a red hat, and red can be a tricky color to get nice solid colors, so I want it to have a nice base coat. Now I'm going to take some flag red and fill in the hat and just leave that kind of fuzzy ball on top blank because that's going to be filled in with white paint. Do as many coats as you need to get a nice solid red on the hat. As I'm filling in the hat with white paint at the top, I'm doing a swirling motion with kind of thick paint, and it's okay if it's got a little bit of texture to it, because if you think about the top of a hat, they're kind of fluffy. Now I'm going to take some full spectrum Dragonfly glaze and fill in the lenses of Ralphie's glasses. So this is going to be very slight. It's not going to show up really bright on this rock, but it's enough shimmer that it gives the appearance of the glasses lens. Now I'm going to take a Posca PC1M paint pen and just outline the glasses, give them some shape, the middle piece over his nose, as well as the side arms going back towards his ears. There's some significant blank space at the bottom of this rock that needs some writing, but for some inspiration on what to write here, who could forget this iconic scene in the movie?
Oh, fudge.
So let's take that white Posca PC1MR paint pen and go ahead and write that iconic phrase on this rock. I'm also thickening the letters anywhere that the pen was in a downstroke just to give them some dimension, and you've got an adorable little iconic Ralphie rock. A Christmas Story is such a classic in our house. It would not be Christmas without it. The movie is also chock full of other phrases that you could choose to write on this rock if you don't like this one. I hope you enjoyed this design as much as I did. Let me know in the comments what one of your favorite Christmas movies is. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss future uploads. And after you're done here, click on the screen so you can watch the next video in the 12 Days of Rocksmith series. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Take care.